Hey guys, today I'm working with a Whirlpool washer and electric dryer, and right now I've got just a small load of towels going in there. It's filling up, as you can see, but essentially I like to do this video as if you were standing here yourself, testing it out. Now the washer does get a 28-point inspection, the dryer gets a 22-point inspection. Everything electrical, mechanical, it all gets checked, and everything has to work perfectly before it gets listed up for sale, before it leaves my care. And so right now we've got this washer here going regular on the normal cycle. I've got it just set to a small load. That way you can see that it fills up with water, agitates like it's supposed to. Lid switch works. You can see when I open that up, it shuts it down, so your safety switch is good to go. Then when it gets to the point of draining the water out, I'll let you listen to that, and then we'll go on to the final spin cycle, and you can see and hear that it's nice and smooth. Then we'll move over to the dryer. So for now, we'll let it get those towels nice and clean, and then we'll come back for the draining and the spin cycle. Alright guys, and now we've moved on to the rinse cycle. You can hear it draining that water out nice and fast. We're not going to lift the lid up and interrupt this neutral cycle. From here, it's got the pump activated. It'll activate and go into its first spin, the rinse spin. It'll fill back up, agitate the clothes once again in clean water, and then it'll final spin. So we'll come back for that final spin and show you that it's nice and fast and smooth. Okay, now we've moved into the final spin cycle. It's getting up to full speed. And now I am going to lift the lid up at this point, and the lid switch will kick in and stop it. But you can see that it's spinning nice and fast. And right now you can see it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Give it just a sec to make sure it's going full speed here. Alright, we'll go ahead and lift this up. And it puts the brakes on and shuts it down. We'll let that go ahead and finish up. Once it's done spinning the water out of those clothes, we'll move them over to the dryer. Okay, now I've got a load in the electric dryer here. And it is a Kenmore Elite, I guess you'd call it a HE or digital electric dryer. We've got it set to cottons towels. That's a pretty heavy jeans load in there. We could do jeans, it's basically the same thing. This one actually has a little bit higher heat, so we'll go ahead and leave it on there. 54 minutes, we'll hit start. You can hear it running nice and smooth. Giving it just a second to heat up, because I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So I've got my temperature gun here. Right in between those two red dots, it's going to take a surface temperature measurement. You see about 68 on top of the dryer. About 59, almost 60 degrees on the floor here. So we'll go ahead and open it up. Shoot this right inside the heating element tube. You can see it's starting to warm up there. I'll go ahead and pause it. I'm actually just going to let it run for about 3 or 4 minutes. This can get up pretty hot. I'll show you that it is, in fact, getting nice and hot once it heats up a little bit more. Okay, coming right back. That's been running now for about 3 or 4 minutes. Go ahead and reset our gun here. Open her back up. And now you can see. Now, plenty of heat, nice and hot. This little tube here can get all the way up to almost 400 degrees. But the inside of your dryer now, that's only going to get from about 95 up to 195 when it heats up. And that's really going to depend on what you have your heat setting at. You can see the light there and everything works. So, you know, you have tons of options here for your heat settings. So ultra low if you have a delicate item that you're trying to dry. And then all of these auto cycles here, so you can just kind of hit whichever one you're after and go. The wrinkle guard's kind of nice too. Touch up, I actually use that one quite a bit. First thing in the morning, you can, let's turn this off. You can hit that, hit go. It kicks the heat up and it'll de-wrinkle anything you've got in there. Anyway, that's pretty much going to be it. We'll go ahead and just restart this back on that towel. So let me go ahead and finish up those clothes, and I'll get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks, and have a great day.